This is how you do it when your kids doesn't like to eat vegetable alone. You make sure you mix with the rice. Okay, so you have carrots, you have beans, you have fine beans, you have peas, green peas, yeah, you have potatoes. You cut small cubes so that the kids doesn't have to get angry on you by giving them and they don't like so much. So don't grate the carrots, cut into cubes so that it make the food look yummy or colorful. So as you see, we have yellow rice. You put a bit of food coloring. You put the carrot, you put the green peas. The food looks yummy and attractive for the kids. So make sure you don't cook a lot of food for the kids to remain, because tomorrow they will get bored to eat. So you make sure you cook enough that will be enough for that day. Then tomorrow change the diet, and all will be well. On the other hand, I have this one. It's called mansaf. It has meat, small slices, and these they are called bezels. Okay, all right. So this is okay for big people. It's rice already, and this is what we call mansaf reban. So big people will eat with this, while the kids will eat and even the kids can eat if they want, but they requested to eat that rice. So this is boiling for the big people. So always welcome and feel at home, eat with us. So we are eating mansaf and vegetable rice. So you see, this is the piece of potato you cut into small pieces so that you don't get problem with the kids. Okay, so it's serving time for the kids.